Okay, so I'm just jumping in here real quick because I'm reading the instructions for the easy to use lace cake mix. Now it says to use half of the powder mix, which is half of this bag, and then 1 teaspoon of glycerin mix, which is part B right here, and you beat it for an additional 4 minutes. Now I don't really need that much because it says and you do have to bake this for 15 to 20 minutes depending on your oven setting. Let the lace cool completely before peeling. It says if some of the parts are still wet and tear, simply lay it back down in the mold, spread another layer, and bake for another 10 minutes or until it's completely dry. Or you can let it dry overnight. So I am going to try to do the bake method. However, I don't think I need half of this because it says that you can, like, I don't know, and it says to mix it for a really long time, so, and it says use a glass bowl, so I guess it's a specific reason why they said that. So it says half a cup of water in a glass bowl. So I'm just gonna follow these. I'm just gonna use half this mixture. It's not like I can't get more of it. So this is 7 ounces, so I need 3.5 ounces of this. So let's get started.